how to uninstall Fortnite from your Windows 11 PC. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can completely uninstall Fortnite from your Windows 11 computer. So in order to start, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply go to the taskbar and search for settings. Now, once you are inside your system settings, you can click onto this apps option. And within the apps option, click onto the installed apps. And from here, using the search bar, you can search for Fortnite. And here you can see this is my Fortnite application right here, around 67.7 gigabytes. Now to uninstall this, simply click onto these three dots present right here. And from this menu, click the uninstall option. Now this will give you a prompt which says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, click onto the uninstall button and if prompted, click yes to run the uninstallation wizard. Now you can see that the uninstallation process has been successfully carried out and the Fortnite application have been removed from my computer. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.